Want a little more privacy during your Google Meet calls? You can easily blur your background so people focus on you instead of what's behind you. Here's how to do it. First, open Google Meet and join a meeting, or stay on the meeting preview screen before you join. On the preview page, look for the Effects or Backgrounds option. Tap on it to open the available background settings. Once you're in the Background section, scroll through the options until you find the Blur effects. You'll usually see two choices, a slight blur and a stronger blur. If you want to keep your surroundings somewhat visible, choose the slight blur option. If you'd prefer to hide most of your background, select the stronger blur effect instead. Give it a moment to apply, and you'll instantly see the difference in the preview window before joining the meeting. If you ever want to remove the blur and show your real background again, simply return to the same Backgrounds menu and select the original background option or turn the blur effect off.